In this screen recording, I'm going to talk about 5.1.4 on page 49. Now, this task requires you to use a graphical programming language, in our case Scratch, to create a maze and a robot with 3 color sensors. Then, you need to program your robot to move through the maze, moving forward, left and right, using 3 if statements. Now, there's plenty of information on page 49. There is an example of what most of your program should look like, and there is a maze. However, there is a catch, because this program, which you see on page 49, will not work on just any maze or any robot. You actually require a very specifically formatted maze and robot in order for the program to work, which is really frustrating, as I found myself over several hours. So what I have finally done is I have discovered a solution on the online Scratch to this project, which you can actually obtain the required map and robot from, so that you will not have stresses trying to get this working correctly. So go to this template I've uploaded to Scratch. Then you can see inside, and then you should click on File and Download to your computer. Now you'll see this doesn't have any program, it's just got the robot and the background, because the key for us is to do the program, not to stress endlessly about getting the maze size and robot size correctly. So we can go download to your computer. Okay, you can save it to downloads and then get Scratch open. I already have my Scratch open, so I'm going to go File, Open, and then I will find in Downloads my template. And so you can see already the most complicated part is the robot and the background, which it really shouldn't be, because the main purpose of this task is to develop programming skills. So anyway, make sure you click on your robot, then you are going to create the program I've just sneakily put here in a screenshot. So we will go to scripts, and then we'll go to events, and we'll go when space key pressed, and then we will get some if statements, which we can get here. We'll duplicate that because we need 3. Then we will get sensing because we're using color sensors, and then we will say to move 32 steps, turn 90 degrees, turn left 90 degrees. Okay, and we can also click here, and we want it to be, well, we want each of these ones, as you can see here, to be white, white, and white, and we want this one to be pink like our front sensor, and we want this one to be blue just like the side of our right sensor, and this one to be light green like our left sensor. Okay, now the only other thing we might like to do is create a green flag so that we can reset our robot to the right location, and you can see this coordinates need to be x minus 225 and y 133, and we also want to point it exactly in the right direction like it is now each time. So watch what happens. If it all is right, then this robot should finally navigate the maze correctly. So I'll start with the green flag, then we press space, 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 and it looks like our little robot has finally succeeded. Or did he get lost somewhere towards the end? Nope. There we go. And then you'll notice the nice thing about this part is when I click stop and start, it will always go back to the right spot. Okay, that completes 5.1.4. Finally, well done to you.